How you can put bait into fish trap in Hytale. So for fish bait, you will need to find some wild berries. Find these bushes and harvest berry bush from here, and you will get wild berries. Once you have it, you need to go to farmer's workbench and navigate to farming section, this first area. And if you scroll down, here is the fish bait, but it requires farmer's workbench tier 2. So I'm gonna upgrade to tier 2, and now you can create. You actually don't need wild berries to craft this, but it's very useful to have it because it's very easy to find them. And also you need essence of life. Then you can simply craft it, and the icon is the same like wild berries. So put your fish bait into your inventory, and we want to place some fishing traps. You can finally put fishing traps into shallow water. And now grab fish bait and right click, and it's gonna change that fishing trap visual, as you can see. And now all you need to do is to just wait, but it should be much faster if you plant fish bait, and the catch should be also better. I'm gonna plant some normal ones and we will compare our catch. So I'm gonna help it. I'm gonna set time and set day. So I'm gonna empty all of these. As you can see, this is the result. You can get much better fish from baiting your traps. And this is the normal one. You will get some soil, some rubble, and that's basically it. It's much harder to get something rare from normal without bait. I did it one more time, and these are my catches. You have better chance to catch a fish with the bait. So if you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.